This is the dialogue between sprites for the ECS in Scratch. Again, you're going to make a conversation between 3 or more sprites. All these sprites are going to be polite, and they're going to take turns talking. Each sprite should say at least 3 things, and the conversation should start when the green flag is clicked. You're going to revitalize or initialize your program when you click the green for the challenge. Meaning you're going to start everything back the same way. And the real challenge is to use the broadcast command instead of the wait commands. So in this one, I'm going to show you the simple way using very linear programming and wait commands. I'll do another video on how to do the broadcast commands. So we're going to start off with, you can see I've already preloaded my environment. I have 3 sprites in here. I'm going to start off with my events and say this program will start when the green is clicked. Now, what do I want to have happen? Well, I'm going to have my sprite say, and I can say for how long. Let's say hello, but I'm going to do something a little bit more creative than that. And why? Oh, it's not typing. Let me try this again. Why can't a basketball player take a vacation? Now, I'm going to show you what that command actually does. So it stays up there for 2 seconds. You could alter it to stay up for later. You could also just use a say command and then a wait command as well. But I find this block to be a little bit easier to deal with. Now we're going to go over to Dorian, which is our second player here. But we know we're going to start this again with that green flag, but we know that Casey is talking first, so I need to come and get a wait command. So I want to wait a certain amount of, so I want to wait, here we go, right at the top. I want to wait, let's say 3 seconds, because I want to give him a little chance after he's done talking before I say something else. So I'm going to come back to that say command for 2 seconds, and he's going to respond with, because they can't travel. We'll let him say that for 2 seconds. So what you're going to see is, why can't a basketball player take a vacation? We waited those 3 seconds because they can't travel. Again, 3 seconds is 2 seconds to allow him to talk, then another second so it doesn't pop up right away, and then it comes in here. So this is where it gets a little tricky now. If I want to come back to, let's say, Casey and have him say something again, I now have to do another wait command. So I'm going to wait 3 seconds after this is run, which is 1 second after Dorian is run, to say my next thing. And for this one, I'm just going to go say something. I want to use that time block again because we're dealing with times on this. I'm just going to go, oh. So now we can see as this program runs, we have that wait. Because they can't travel, we're going to come back here and go, oh. So again, for him to respond, I need to have another wait command. But so we kind of get that idea. This would not be the way that I would program a conversation. I would use the broadcast command, which I'll show in the next video.